This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: full power accessories, a keyless entry system, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, a full-size spare tire, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Hollingsworth Richards Ford is located at 7787 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.